Hi everyone. I'm working on a advertising presentation for my online course, and I wanted to show you something amazing. So, I'm teaching about how to boost a post on Facebook and Instagram, how to use Facebook Ads Manager, and how to do it the proper way. So, one of the things you want to do is define your audience, and this is super important because um, if you see here, instead of having your ad being seen by everyone in the world, you can define it by location, demographics, interest, and so on. And therefore, your ad or your post is going to be seen by people that matter and can be potential clients. So the whole audience thing is quite something. But instead of having to re-add the interest and the detail targeting each time, it's nice to have pre-save audiences. And it took me a couple of steps to figure out, well, this used to be super easy. Like, see, I have saved audiences, but they were hard to find now in 2024. So I just found a direct link and it literally changed my life. So here's the direct link. You go to this link, adsmanager.facebook.com /ad manager /audiences. And I swear to the G Goose that it's going to change everything. All of a sudden, your audiences are here and you can click, edit them, save them. And once you've done that, afterwards, when you want to boost a post, your audiences are going to be perfect and ready to go. So let's see what that looks like for real. Here, let's go. If you can still see this. So here we go. These are my audiences. And if I click, for example, this one, here's my audience that I have saved this morning. I could click edit and I have all the different features, all nice and done. So if I want to add, for example, Vancouver, and I go, I'm just gonna go this for now, but I would update my audience. And then when I go back, I could just use that audience ready to go when I boost a post. I could also create a custom audience, a lookalike audience, and all these in-depth features that are available on desktop that you can now save and have ready to go when you quickly boost a post. I hope this helped. I'm not sure why I'm not in the camera anymore, but if you have any questions, let me know.